try experiment with Tilzy. In this video, we're going to take you to Croatia, which is in Central Europe. It is a long journey from America. We changed the flight in UK. Got a chance to see Harry Potter stores, which is very cool. I feel a little tired, but it's fun.
Please hold on. Transit is...
That is our last flight to the destination. We also need to travel by car. Our first stop, Porto, Montenegro. It's a beautiful area. There are a lot of stores and restaurants. After we enjoy the beautiful view, we have some lunch. Now we're taking a ferry to the other side. The ferry boat carries a lot of cars. Now we're crossing the border to Croatia. We're staying here tonight. The house is next to Umbra River. Umbra River is a short river that merges into Adriatic Sea.
Hello.
Stop. Let's get this fresh water.
Okay.
Come on, try to swim a little bit.
I want to swim in there, but the water is too cold.
Alright, come on then. Let me try you out.
We enjoy the view. There is a pirate ship too. Now it's time to go to the second place. We stopped by at a gas station. We have to pay to use the restroom here. This restaurant is grilling the whole pig and lamb. Grilled pig is one of the popular dishes in Croatia. Tonight we will stay at a house in the Rolo area. They have a big garden with all types of vegetables. The host said we could eat anything we like. The house comes with a nice pool. I enjoy it so much, man. The host welcomes up with the local food. We got some honey from the local honey maker. I like fresh apples. I love playing chess. We just swim all day. Houses in this area is made of stone. People have very quiet lifestyle. They are very friendly and like to talk to us. There are a lot of olive farms. Also grow corn and wheat. There are a lot of plants. We were in the city now. You can see more modern houses. Zadar City. It's a famous old town in Croatia. It's the best place to see sunset. I'm crossing on the Kraskimos Bridge. It is such a lovely place. There are a lot of people coming in this place. Grilled corn. There are stores and restaurants. We walk around to see everything. Now I'm super hungry. I'm waiting for pizza. And of course, I don't miss ice cream.
Alright, there's your tapa.
We're sitting here to see sunset. We stopped by a grocery to get food. Second day, we stopped by a shopping mall to get stuff for the beach. Cheese! I need some toys. Now we are at Rovihai Akubani. The beaches here are mostly rock. We picked a small beach so there is not a lot of people. The water is very clear and clean. I had a lot of fun in this playground. Pizza time! We are at Biograd Route. This place is a popular place in Croatia.
Come on.
Let's end the day with some food here. The next morning we observed the place with the drone.
What are you doing?
I said we're flying the drone. This is fun.
It's coming.
I'm controlling the drone. This is the house from the top view. There are only farms around us. There are more houses on this side. There is me and Bobby and Mommy. Today we have to leave Croatia. On the way back we saw windmills. We stopped by a fruit stand to get some watermelon. There is a lot of local fruits and vegetables. Now we're at the border. Bye-bye, Croatia. Meow. Please subscribe so we could have fun together.